Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Zcash. As in my earlier video of Zcash, I was showing you that it broke out a very big falling wedge pattern, and after that, it was also trying to break out a very huge resistance of Ichimoku bearish cloud as well. And this was my last video, by the way, that I shared almost 4 days ago with you. And now if we take a look at the live chart, then you can see that after the breakout from this wedge pattern, the price line is once again rejected by this very huge resistance of Ichimoku bearish cloud, and also got rejected by this quite long-term resistance of $32.50 as well. You can see that previously this $32.50 has been working as a support here, resistance here, and after that it had been breaking as a support here for several weeks. And after the breakdown here, it had been breaking as a resistance, and here as a resistance, and recently the price line once again got rejected by this resistance of $32.50, and now it is retesting the previous resistance of the channel as a support. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signal work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of March 2024 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal like this, the trade setup for Beta Finance, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and it will take you to the trading view chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared the signal. For example, in this case, I shared the signal on 4th of March 2024. And you can also watch the complete trade setup as well, like this was the buying range and sell targets on and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click this play button like I'm doing here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target line. This was a quite powerful pump, by the way. Now let me take you to the live chart of Zcash, and this is the weekly time frame chart, and you can see that previously since after the month of March 2021, it was moving inside this very huge falling wedge pattern. And before the breakout, you can see that it found another down trend line support from the month of June 2023. Therefore, since after the month of June 2023, the price line was not testing the support of this bigger falling wedge pattern. And after getting squeezed inside this support and resistance, finally we broke it out. And after the breakout, the price line once again got rejected by this quite long-term resistance of $32.50 that had been previously breaking as a resistance here for several months and as a support here. And even before that, here in the month of September 2019, it had been breaking as a support and here as a resistance. Therefore, it was a very long-term support and resistance level. And therefore, again, it worked as a very strong resistance. And now the price line is retesting the previous resistance of the wedge as a support. Now, within next 48 hours, when this weekly candlestick will be closed, it depends where it will be closed, by the way. For example, if it will be closed below this support, this previous resistance of the wedge that is now working as a support, if it will be closed below this resistance of the wedge, then it can re-enter the same falling wedge pattern, and then we will again need to break it out. And if we will have a closing above this resistance of the wedge, then there is a probability that the price line after this retest may start another reversal to the outside to break out the next resistance levels. And by the way, this will be the most significant resistance of Ichimoku bearish cloud. You can see that for the past several months, it is breaking at a very strong resistance. We got rejection here, we got rejection here, and now for the past several weeks or months, we are having again and again rejections by this resistance. Therefore, we will need to break out this Ichimoku bearish cloud resistance in order to continue this rally or move to the upside. Now, if you take a look at the target for this breakout from this big falling wedge pattern, that target is, by the way, here at the top of the wedge between $400 to $500. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.